Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about an extension for Chrome called GoFullPage, and you could probably also install it for Edge, since Edge lets you install Chrome extensions. So what this will do is it'll let you capture a screenshot of a full page on a website. So like normally, if you wanted to capture a screenshot, you'd have to do just what you can see on the screen here, and obviously you can't do what's below it because you can't see it on the screen. So what this will do, it'll let you capture the whole screen itself, or whatever's on the page, I should say. All right, so first we need to add it to Chrome. Okay, so it'll put an extension here, your extensions, and you can just pin it if you like. So if we go to this website here, you can see, or this web page, it's got a YouTube video, some ads, sidebar information. Obviously, we can't take a screenshot of the whole thing. We could print it to a PDF. So let's do that. Okay, so now we'll try it with the extension here and see how it compares. So it's got to scroll down the whole page and capture everything. All right, so you can see it makes one big image file with the whole page all the way down here. Then you could download it if you like. You could actually click on edit, add some stuff to it if you want before you print it out or save it. And there's also a PDF option, so we'll download it as a PDF. So it needs permission to manage your downloads. Okay, so that's done. So let's go to the downloads here and open this up. So you can see it captured the preview, captures the ad. Let's go look at the one we printed to PDF. So kind of cut off there. So this did a better job of keeping the sidebar, but this cut it off. Didn't print the or didn't save the preview of the video. Didn't save the image from the ad. But you can see this app here, or this extension, will cut off the pages too, because it just does one page at a time here. So that's one thing you got to look out for. With this one, actually did a better job of keeping things separated. So a trade-off there. And when you go back to the options here, or the settings, you could change your format. You could change your paper size if that'll help you fit it better on the screen. Now it has the smart page splitting, which will check to make sure that your images and text don't get cut off like we saw. So that's an option too if you have the premium version. Then you could also add the date and time and the URL of the site you were on. Change the download directory, save as type, auto downloads, fit copies to Google Docs, limits, permission settings, and so on. And this flag here, just to report an issue. So it's a pretty cool app, and I think if you really liked it and you something to do a lot, you might want to do the premium version and do the page splitting where it'll separate it out. And then, of course, there's the print to PDF, so you could try that too. So I would give it a shot, see which one you like better, and take it from there. I'll put a link in the description, and then you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.